Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome along to yet another 10-minute drop challenge. I did do a Complextro 10-minute drop challenge way back in like 2017 or something, which was pretty decent. I just had a really great idea on how to make some fat, heavy Complextro basses inside of Ableton, but I was like, oh, I've kind of done a 10-minute drop video. Oh, whatever, I'll do another one. We should start with the correct tempo. 128. Audio, we're gonna need some midis. Audio for drums and shit. This is gonna be fast and furious, let me tell you. Whoo! I'm ready. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. Operator. Oh, no. OTT, obviously. Saturator, obviously. 3 dB, a little bit of bass. Don't want that much OTT. Does anybody use E anymore? I'm gonna go with E. Okay, and the big aim is resampling, record enable, and record this as well. And essentially, what I'm gonna do is hit record, and whatever I essentially play is gonna be recorded. So I'm gonna go and create some crazy FM shit and have it recorded, and we can use that as bass samples and whatnot. So like chunky layer already. No, stick to E, stick to E. Yeah, shit like that. We need like a descending kind of pitch drop there. And we need some laser sounds or some shit like that. Oh, we can do laser sounds. Now, what am I doing? I need pitch envelope. I'm going to do that. That's some knife party pendulum. Shit, yeah, I love it. Alright, what do we got for our third operator? Isn't really coming through. The second one is. It picks the same fucking oscillator. We need some wobs as well. Oh, I can't look at the time. No! Okay, initial, high as shit. Peak, high as shit. Okay. Alright, lasers. Let's get some wobs happening. What the fuck? What is that doing? Sync. Where is it going to? The filter. This is way too fast. Okay, we can change this bottom one. Okay, we've done 4 minutes of basses. That's probably definitely enough. Oh my god, that's a lot to sort through. Let's smash out some drums real quick. Load up on some sidechain and yeet. Kicks. Fuck it, they'll do. 4 on the floor. Construction kits, there we go. Electro. No, Complextro. I was listening to a lot of old school Porter Robinson the other day. Really ever used hi-hats on the offbeat. It was always like kick and clap for the punch. So. What about this one? Yeah, they'll do. A little bit too much of a tail, so obviously saturator, slam that together. It's not really a literally kick. What about that one? No, that's trappy. That's housey. That's way too punchy. No, we'll go with the first one. Anyway, it's a 10-minute drop challenge. You can't be too fussy dialing in the perfect kick or the perfect snare. Royally fucked that up. What the hell? Okay, so this is drums. This is going to be our bass channel. Sidechain, where are you? Sidechain, kick, high ratio. This. It was kind of mono, so a little bit of micro shift. Or we've got saturator. Fuck, I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add the same OTT and saturator from our recorded channel, just cause I want it to be slammed. Okay, unwarp that. Alright, let's hear some gangster basses. Come on, Sam. Okay, that micro shift is a little bit too wide. Where's the basses? That's a good first one. Just gonna chop that there. Fuck it, we can layer that as the second one as well. Oh, that is beautiful. That's a good bass to add at some point, but not for this point. Maybe grab some lasers. Where the fuck do we... There we go, there we go. I was like, where's the lasers? Something like that. Have we got like a quick wob? That's so in key, no? I forgot that bit. Was it 2 bars? We will add that here. Yes! Okay. Fuck. Same effects. Back to basses. Shit. Oh, we're so running out of time, aren't we? I'm just 30 seconds. Fuck, I'm gonna have to make up some pattern out of my ass. Oh my god. Oh no, it's all gone wrong. No. Shit, shit, shit. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Too much. I can't even add anything else. Oh shit. Oh, I missed the folder I was going for as well. It's all gone wrong. No. Why did I say 10 minutes? 10 minutes was just not long enough. We had a good foundation, we just had no time. And I definitely spent way too long resampling basses and whatnot. Success or fail? Who knows? Okay, this is way too loud, so this is gonna sound shit. Cheat for 2 seconds. No, that's not quite right. That needs to be there. Yeah, I'm gonna work on it more. What a surprise, I know, but it's just like, you can't come this close and then be like, right guys, I'm gonna end the video there. And it's kind of half weird, half completed state, so yeah, fuck it. It was getting there. That honestly sounded a bit better than I thought. When I had 30 seconds left on the clock, I was like, oh, you fucked this up, Sam. You're gonna have to create a pattern in 30 seconds that sounds Complextro-y and doesn't sound shit. And who would have known? It actually sounds pretty decent. I like how that's not in time. That needed its own kind of... Yeah, it needed its own fucking layer. Boom. Oh yes, I'm cheating again. What a surprise. Sam Antidote is cheating in a 10-minute drop video again. We need like a little click there. This was off. This was doing my head in. I don't think the wub sounded that flash, if I'm honest. We weren't a great success on that. Because it's coming in too early? Yes, it is. Nice. Something there, but then bass here. Is that in time? No. That's some Wolfgang Gartner kind of sounds. Make this separate channel, wide AF. A little radio filter. No, no, no. Oh, that's a spicy bass. Shit. Seven. And then there. I knew I'd cheat and it was like, oh, I'm getting too addicted to the tune. I'll just keep working on it. Yeah, there we go. Imagining people looking at the video being like, Complextro 10-minute drop challenge. Why is it an hour long? What is this dude doing? Why don't I just use something from a brand new Bass House Serum Pack and then plug it at the same time? Because that would be a great idea. Invictus, out and out, link in the description. Okay, that was unintentional, but sounding super sick. Okay, I'm gonna play with some mutes as well. Don't want it happening all the time. This would be a very Complextro thing to do. Have something come in one bar and then pull it back for another bar, and then another bar added in, and yeah, hopefully you understood what I was meaning. Early Complextro doesn't really have like offbeat hi-hats, but fuck it, we're gonna add it. Fuck, it's sounding so thick! So close, so close. Alright, I'm gonna group them, chuck the sidechain on the main group, because I want to add a little bit more processing to all of them. I want the sidechain to be after that. So we want dry, we don't want distort. And maximizer, slam the shit out of it, obviously. Maybe that trash isn't the right one. It ain't the right one. One day I'll actually do a 10-minute drop challenge and the video will be 10 minutes. You know, like I was saying before, you can't just leave it when it's like almost done and just be like, yep, that's the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching. You gotta finish it up. But I mean, anyway, that's the Complextro drop. Hopefully you did enjoy the video, and hopefully that little bass resampling technique I mentioned at the beginning of the video, where you essentially just set up a resampling channel, set record enable on that channel and your main synth or operator or bass or whatever you want to do, and just like whatever parameter you tweak, it's recording the audio. So if you want that little snippet of sound which you just mucked around with, then it's totally doable to drag that into your track and make little Complextro edits and snippets and chops like that. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys next week for something cool. Have a great day in the meantime, and see you then. Peace.